I'm Michela Gentile, and I lead cell line development and process development at ReiThera's. Proprietary cell line play a critical role in viral manufacturing, and at ReiThera's they are a fundamental part of our platform strategy. In particular, at ReiThera's, we don't just use a generic cell line, but create our own cell line designed for viral vector, including adenovirus, AAV, and MVA. And this cell line are optimized for high productivity, viral yield, scalability, and support the large-scale manufacturing. Proprietary cell line offers several advantages. Some of the biggest advantages include viral yield and batch-to-batch consistency. And also they support and simplify the regulatory documentation and tech transfer, since the platform is internally developed and well characterized. And also from IP perspective, having full ownership to protect our know-how and create flexibility in how we apply our technology to new therapeutic areas. At ReiThera's, we developed our own cell line for different viral vector like adenovirus, AAV, and MVA. And this platform supports our internal program, but also the custom client project.